World Boss is back. The comet is back, and the one that named Str8 Vybz. So you don't know, we expect nothing but what? Str8 Vybz. Yeah, man, gang, let's get it.
Play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shutter selector.
Yeah, man, gang, you see how they are with? We are back with the World Boss, the teacher. You see me, the king, crown king of dancehall, even by Billboard charts. You see us again? Yeah, man, gang, we there with the World Boss himself. Yeah, man, king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel. The one named Str8 Vybz. I take it out, check it out and see where I got deal with, you know. You see me? Str8 Vybz. Could be a song or could be just be promoting. But tell you, Kartel is a genius, you know. We'll see what I go on do. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel, Str8 Vybz. Let's get it.
Who make it wrong?
This man is a genius. Me telling you, you know, to stop playing. Hey.
Who make it
Wrong. The Vybz Kartel make it wrong.
It make ugly girl look like pretty darling. Str8 Vybz still a morning. Come for your uncle, somebody should have warned him. When you want to feel real vibes,
Like Sharpie in a suit. He coming.
when you want to feel
Easy no mama.
Str8 vibes. Somebody else get ice. Make TG not nice. Overproof of the bad man choice. And I'm strong with the girl them like. Not Smirnoff ice. Them a lick higher, make girl pussy tight.
That's Smirnoff Ice. Can you even say that? Hey.
Them a lick higher, make it thugs them hype. Now we no pop pill, we pop buckle all night. Tell everybody.
Hey, enough artists just get shot a while ago, you know. Every artist for the last 10 years plus 30 years I talk about no pop pills and now all on we get shot a while ago. We no pop pill, we pop buckle all night. Talk to them all about.
Yeah, make girl pussy tight. Them a lick higher, make it thugs them hype. Now we no pop pill, we pop buckle all night. Tell everybody we ready for starting. We charging the shorties. We are sell down the party. Everybody happy. Nothing cannot stop it.
Everybody, hey, this gonna be mad in the club, do you know? Go on, show.
Don't like it off in a copy. Somebody else get it up. If you're not careful, you vomit and gut. Hey, mommy, you know me.
So I get everyone careful of it up your gun. Yeah, man, drink responsibly. Come on.
Somebody else get it up. If you're not careful, you vomit and gut. Hey, mommy, you know me. Give your son no rum. Beg you please fill leg on me t-shirt. You have to brave Google stone the god. Or have a cup of water and shut the fuck up. Make a toast.
You hear that? Alright, go on.
Full of vomit and gut. Hey, mommy, you know me. Give your son no rum. Beg you please fill leg on me t-shirt. You have to brave Google stone the god. Or have a cup of water and shut the fuck up. Make a toast. Me no mean bread. Now cheers. Now everybody drink up. Tell everybody.
Easy now, man. Str8 Vybz are gonna eat in the club, man. I want to. We don't want a dan hole, yo. We don't want a Bomba Hennessy. We don't want no Remy. We don't want no Casamigos. We want the Str8 Vybz rum. Come on.
Ready to start it. We charging the shorties. We are sell down the party. Everybody happy. Nothing cannot stop it. Don't lock it off in a copy. Hold on. Somebody else get ice. Make TG not nice. Overproof of the bad man choice. And I'm strong with the girl them like.
Easy now, man. Come in.
Not Smirnoff ice. Them a lick higher, make girl pussy tight. Them a lick higher, make it thugs them hype. Now we no.
Hear that, ladies? These are the ladies that don't remember the girl. Hey, yo, Str8 Vybz.
Make girl pussy tight. Them a lick higher, make it thugs them hype. Now we no pop pill, we pop buckle all night. Tell everybody we ready for start it. Me charging the shorties.
Body in this, you know, man. Blouse and skirt. Easy on.
Sell down the party. Everybody happy. Nothing cannot stop it. Don't lock it off in a copy.
Come in, no? boss. World boss. You see that? You see, when you're him, you're him. When you're him, you're him. That's it. Nobody can take your stripe. You see me? When you're him, you're him. And that's what it is. No matter how old you is, no matter how young you is, no matter how rated you is. When you're him, you're him. You see me? So a lot of people that say that probably get all up and cold up and people can take a stripe and rape with the man still doing it. You see me? I say, I know a lot of people gonna be like, oh, this is about tune. This is Kartel just playing around, bro. Kartel is a genius. This Kartel is a marketing genius. This man is promoting his rum. Alright, give you a little nice tune at the same time, which is smart, bro. This is smart, bro. Anything this man sing about gone up in a price. Why wouldn't I sing about my own damn product? Huh? Come on now, think about it. Alright. Well, yeah, man. Shout out to Vybz Kartel. It's a world boss. Back doing him thing, dog. It's a vibe. It's a good look. Everything mad. Everything shad. Yes, again. Yeah, man, but we there, man, I deal with. Yeah, man, we there again. I don't know what work I put in, I job be bangers and videos and things. Let me know you enjoy the content, you enjoy the new start of the video. Let me know if you like it. Keep pattern going, you want to go back to the old method. Let me know. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care. Ada. Love you guys. Wow.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.